And action.
Hello, and welcome to the first Tide Show of 2022-23 school year. My name is Ms Greenberg, and this is a show that we have here at THS every couple times a month. And it's something that we use to share what we're doing at school, seeing how our clubs are going. And this show would absolutely not be possible without trusty Mr. Hussein, who does all the editing, all the filming, all the amazing special effects. Absolutely not something that I can do by myself. So, for our first episode, I thought it'd be really interesting to know what goes on behind the scenes at the Harbour School. You know, how do we prepare for things? Who are the people behind the scenes? So we're going to go around the 5th floor and also on the ground floor to do that. But just so you know, I know that a lot of you are new. I'm the principal here at the school. I've been working here since 2009, and I had 4 kids. 3 of them have now graduated from the Harbour School, and my last child, Milo, he's in high school now. Anyway, so that's about me, but we're going to find out more about our fellow administrators here as we go around the 5th floor and ask them some interesting questions. Follow me. Okay, let's see who's working hard on the 5th floor. Well, there is Miss Annie, our health coordinator, so she's someone who's going to be helping you if you're not feeling well or anything here at the school. So, Miss Annie, is there anything fun that we don't know about you yet that the kids might want to know?
Fun fact about me is that I used to do makeup for music videos and independent films in California.
So you could do like zombie makeup?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, that's the coolest thing. Health coordinator who could do zombie makeup. So I have a cool question for you. If you had to for one whole year and have wings or a mermaid tail, which one would you choose?
I would definitely choose wings.
Really?
Yeah.
So even like you'd go to the bathroom and you'd have to try to go into the bathroom with the wings on?
I would have to fold them up.
Ooh, okay. Fold them up. Thanks, Miss Annie.
All right, bye.
Bye. So now it's your turn. Would you rather have wings or a mermaid's tail? So many people working hard in this office. Okay, so this is one of the admin offices. We have quite a few people here. This is Miss Mandy. She does our fish and sea courses. And this is Miss Momoko. She does our HR, and that means she takes care of the teachers and the staff here at the school. And over there is Miss Roshni. She's our development director, and she makes sure that other people in Hong Kong know about all the cool things that we're doing here at the school. And then there's this guy, Mr. Campbell. He's our governance officer to make sure that the rules are followed. All right, guys, pause for a second. I have a fascinating question. If you had to, would you rather eat a dead bug or a live worm? This guy first.
How old is the dead bug?
It's dead. It's dead. It doesn't matter. It's dead.
I guess I'd go for a live worm.
Okay, live worm.
Dead bug.
Dead bug.
Live one.
Live worm. Dead bug. Okay, there you go. I know, there's the both. I've actually eaten both, but that's okay. And now it's your turn to answer. Would you rather eat a dead bug or a live worm? If you answered before, you should probably try to give other people a chance. You have 1 minute to go. Go. Okay, a room full of other busy people. So, guys, for this first episode of Tide, I figured that we would demystify who lives on the fifth floor. So, here's Ms. Merzak, our vice principal. She does so many things. You guys see I wouldn't be anywhere without her. So there's Ms. Merzak. There's Ms. Greenberg, who's our curriculum and instruction coach. And what she does is she makes sure that our teachers are being the best teachers they can possibly be. And in here, in his own fishbowl, is Mr. Wong, who is our operations director. He makes sure like the building is perfect, everything you guys are doing, and everything that you access is going well. And he makes really amazing spreadsheets and Google Forms. So everybody remembers a little bit about you. Can you tell us something fun about you, Ms. Greenberg?
Okay, sure. I've got a secret talent. I can make my hands squeak.
That's fart, I think, not just squeaks.
Can be polite.
Okay, Ms. Merzak.
I am a diving instructor, and I haven't dived for many years, but I just went back to Thailand in the summer, and I did 3 dives.
Yay! And she's the only vegetarian I know who doesn't like mushrooms or cheese.
Also true.
Okay, Mr. Wong, something fun about you?
I recently got an octopus at home, and
Really?
I spent my weekend catching crabs.
Otis.
So that we can feed
Otis the octopus.
Right.
Oh, that's so cool. Maybe we could have him guest on the show.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so fun question. Would you rather be super, super strong or super, super tough? Mr. Wong, you can go first.
I would like to be super strong. That'd be pretty cool.
Okay.
I agree. I definitely want to be super strong because I've always wanted to be able to bend metal.
Okay. It would be hard to shake hands though, right? Like, no.
So that's my concern. I don't want to hurt anyone, so I'm going to be super fast so I can not sweat on the way to work.
Yay! Okay, thanks guys.
Thank
Bye. And now it's your turn. Would you rather be super, super strong or super, super fast? Go. Hi everyone. So now we're having lunch with Dan, our managing director. Our managing director is the person who makes sure that all the business areas of the school are running well and as efficiently as possible. Okay, so what's a fun fact about you?
A fun fact about me is that I'm the dad of Mojo the dog.
Mojo the dog, he's super famous. You can watch the 8th grade movie from last year. Okay, so I've been asking people really interesting questions, and my interesting question for you is, would you rather be a T-Rex or a blue whale?
That's a really hard one, but I'd have to say I'd like to be a T-Rex.
Really? You'd have itty bitty hands though for your body weight.
I would have very small hands, but I'd be really awesome.
Okay.
What about you?
I think because T-Rexes are extinct, I'd rather be a blue whale. I'd rather be a blue whale because I still want to be alive.
Okay.
That's about it. Okay, what about you guys? You now have a minute to answer. What would you rather be, a T-Rex or a blue whale? she's our head of school, and that means that she basically decides what happens at the school now and in the future. She's been here at the school since the beginning, like 2007. So, are you done brushing your question?
I think it's going to take me a long time. I've got a lot of monkeys to brush.
Okay. Anyway, can you tell us a fun fact about yourself?
Okay, one fun fact is that I used to have 6 kids, and last year I just got another kid, so now I have 7 kids.
She has 7 kids.
And I just got a new grandbaby.
Yay!
Named Zephyr.
Right. Named Zephyr.
Named Zephyr.
Oh, extra credit if you know what Zephyr means.
Ooh.
Anyway, so I have a really fun question for you. Would you rather travel to space for 2 days, but never, ever, ever visit any country for the rest of your life, or visit every single country but not space?
Okay, I would much rather visit every other country but not space, because I can always do a VR trip to space and pretend I went to space for 1 day, because I would just be 1 day.
That's brilliant.
And then I love traveling. Look around here, there's lots and lots of really cool stuff that you find out from going to all different countries, so I plan to spend the rest of my life going to different countries, so I'd be very sad if I gave that up.
There you go. I love that answer. Okay, what's yours? So remember, the question is, would you rather travel to space for 2 days but no other country for the rest of your life, or would you rather spend the rest of your life traveling to every single country? You have a minute to go. Go! So there you have our first Tide Show episode of the year, and I hope now that you know a little bit about our 5th floor administrators. Don't be afraid to come and say hi. You know now a little bit of interesting facts about them. So if you want to be part of the show, you can email cgreenberg@ths.edu.hk. We'd be happy to feature you when we do lots of things on learner goals. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I've been corrected. Chimpanzees are not monkeys. They are primates, or they belong to the ape family. My humblest apologies. Okay, have a great week.
No animals were harmed in the making of this Tide episode, but we understand that feelings were hurt. Sorry, chimpanzees. You are our closest animal cousins. We share 98% of our DNA with you. You're a member of the great ape family, and we will never make the mistake of calling you a monkey again.